Welcome you all in Nandip Academy. I am Supriya and we are discussing the question answer series from our Samarpan series. So this series is dedicated for the question answer specifically from the UPSC. So today's question is from transparency and why this transparency is important. While reading such questions, we have to keep in mind that such questions are easy but tricky because everyone have a lot of data information with us. But what exactly we have to put in 150 words, that is the main target of us. So we have to read the question first. Why transparency? This is our focus. Why transparency is considered as a crucial component of a probity in governance. Means first we have to know what exactly probity is, what exactly governance is, and then we have to interlink these keywords and we have to write the answer. So locus of the question is come from probity section, the unit 7 in our ethics syllabus, and they have asked us about the transparency. In my classroom session, I discussed about what exactly how to remember the probity. There is one trick to remember the probity. How we can remember the probity? Means P-I-T-A, Pita. Pita तो महान होता है, पिताजी, right? So पिताजी is equal to I plus T plus A. Means integrity, transparency and accountability is called as probity. And they have asked us about the transparency, the second component, right? So we have to think like that. Right now we are able to write what exactly probity is and what exactly governance is. So such kind of a data that you should have in your mind while dealing such questions. So without wasting time, we have to write the introduction. What exactly introduction of such question? We can directly start with a definition what exactly transparency is. How to remember transparency? In very easy way. Keep in mind O means openness and H means honesty. Openness and honesty is called as transparency. Openness and honesty is equal to transparency. Look at the definition. Transparency is a cornerstone of a probity. Yes, definitely. In the governance, it allows government action and decision to be open. Action and decision should be open to public scrutiny. Ultimately, we have to, as an officer, we have to work for the public. We have to work for the citizen. So, the action and decision that you are taken should be open to the citizens. This is called as transparency. Open and honest is equal to transparency. Okay. In our second paragraph, in the introductory area, we also able to write it involves free flow of information about government processes. What? Free flow of information about the government processes, decisions and spending. PDS. What is government? What government is doing? Government is processing. Government have decisions and government have spendings. So this PDS, keep in your mind, you can use this mnemonics in your different answers because this will help you to recall your data quickly. What government is doing? Government is processing lot of information, lot of data, government taking decisions and government spending funds. Government spending expenditure they can spend on a different projects. So PDS government G is equal to. So this kind of mnemonics will definitely help you, making it possible for citizens to understand and engage with how public resources are utilized. How public resources are utilized. Public resources. Okay. Make such kind of a habit to remember and to have a good kind of a good technique in a study. Okay, what you can write in your body? We have to be a very crisp and precise with our knowledge and with our writing. Transparency is a crucial for several reasons. So reasons are, definitely we have to write what are the reasons and why transparency is a crucial. promote accountability. Definitely transparency, promote accountability. You have to answerable to someone, you have to be answerable to your organization. When government operations are transparent, definitely public officials are more likely to act ethically, knowing that their decisions can be scrutinized by the citizen, media and oversight bodies. Means they know if they took a wrong decision, definitely they will scrutinized. So this kind of accountability they should have. After that, second point is a reduce corruption. Definitely this is the big challenge in government. If government have to reduce corruption, definitely transparency helping to reduce the corruption by opportunities for corruption, by exposing the decisions, process and expenditure to the public view. You can write more points. Build public trust. Definitely ultimate aim of a government to build public trust. And last point is encourage citizen participation. Means participating the citizen in the process of government, definitely it will help more towards building a good governance, right? Means informed citizens are more likely to engage in government processes, holding official accountable and participate in decision making. Such point we are able to write. You can give examples. You can give example of any officer that he is working ethically and he is very transparent. This will give you a value addition. While concluding such answer, we can conclude that in conclusion, transparency is a vital component, is an important component for what? For probity in governance. It fosters an ethical, accountable governance structure, reduce corruptions, strengthens public trust and promote civic participation. Means if we have a good civic participation, definitely we have to foster transparency by ensuring that government processes are open and fair. What we have to ensure? We have to ensure government processes should be open and fair. That is the definition of a transparency: open and honest, fair. Okay, transparency lays the foundation. Lays the foundation is a very good word, because you can use this in a multiple ways. Lays the foundation for a good governance, essential for just and equitable and sustainable society. Definitely, what is our objective? A sustainable society is our objective. And what transparency is doing? Transparency is building a foundational value foundation for just, equitable and sustainable society. Such kind of answer definitely give you very good marks, and it will be beneficial for you to have such kind of a data, such kind of a facts in your hand. So keep practicing such answers, keep practicing on a daily basis, and whatever doubt that you have in your mind, just comment me in the comment section below. We are meeting in our next question answer series discussion. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.